My name is Dr. Nimatullah Rashid. I am a member of expert committee of WFAS. I passed the examination and awarded the qualification of acupuncture doctor of WFAS. Acupuncture is a magnetic phenomenon. It is very important declaration because from ancient times to present, the mechanism of the acupuncture therapy has not been confirmed yet. The scientific hypothesis of meridians and the points has not been confirmed yet too. I used magnetic acupressure suction cup instead of the normal acupuncture needle to the breakthrough points of the blood meridian and observed 626 cases. Breakthrough point of the blood meridian reflects health condition of the internal organs. The reactions are different depending on the impact of the case under the deficiency syndrome and the excess syndrome. The acupuncture meridian are the invisible biological fibers that renders continuous information transmission between the relative independent parts and the special parts of the organism. The acupuncture point is the focus which takes high intensity and low resistance on the electromagnetic holographic environment. The qi which circulates within the biological fibers, meridians, belong to the magnetic waves. According to meridian theory of the traditional Chinese medicine, the acupuncture is the method of the meridian. It is not the method of the point. We make the use the special reality that the magnetic lines circulate from northern pole to the southern pole, can open the blockage of the acupuncture meridian and achieve the goal of treatment. My English is independently, completely Slavic culture. It is the hard to avoid to make mistakes. Please correct it. Goodbye.